Welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Mandela. In our first news today, Pure EV started a mega service camp to offer free service to all of its customers in Hyderabad. Due to COVID-19 lockdown, Pure EV took this decision to offer free service for their customers. As a part of this mega service camp, the company to offer free service on their lithium-ion battery pack using their patented technology instrument called battery Faraday, and also they will do free mechanical service on their electric scooters as well for their customers. And in the press note, the company also mentioned that few of their customers also reached 20,000 kilometers, and also one of the ePluto 7G customer has reached 50,000 kilometers. And I will read out the 5 locations where the Pure EV customers can visit the showroom in Hyderabad for their free service. And the first location is eDrive Motors. The date starts from 4th of September to 8th of September, and they are offering batteries Faradays, PCM and service for 5 days. And the second location is Borra Marketing, and the service will start from September 9th to September 13th, and they are also offering batteries Faraday, PCM and service for 5 days. And the third location is Bike World, and the mega service camp starts from 14th of September to 16th of September, and they are offering service PCM and batteries Faraday. And the fourth location is KSB Motors, and the service camp starts from 17th of September to 22nd of September, and they are also offering service PCM and batteries Faraday. And finally the fifth location is Kompally, and the service camp starts from 23rd of September to 25th of September, and they are also offering service PCM and batteries Faraday. And Pure EV customers can utilize this opportunity for a free service. In our second news today, India's largest manufacturer for lead acid batteries, Exide industry, is planning to enter into the lithium-ion battery manufacturing. It is because the central government recently announced an incentive for lithium-ion battery pack manufacturing as a part of its advanced chemistry cells. Advanced chemistry cell means lithium-ion batteries. As a part of this scheme, they are looking out for 50 gigawatt hour of lithium-ion battery capacity. So that is one of the reason Exide industry is looking for lithium-ion battery manufacturing as well. If they're going to start the lithium-ion battery manufacturing, it is the first company to do the indigenous lithium-ion batteries, start making the lithium-ion batteries from scratch. I mean the lithium-ion powder into lithium-ion cells. In our third news today, at Statue of Unity in Gujarat, we already know that this zone is declared as electric vehicle zone in Gujarat for pollution-free ride. So at this Statue of Unity, now tribal women are using e-rickshaws for a pollution-free ride. So it is happening at the K Vidya colony. 60 women has already given training for this e-rickshaws, and good to see women empowerment in terms of electric vehicles as well. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. For fast updates, please do follow our Facebook page and website. Go Green, Go Electric.